To open apps in floating windows on POCO X8 Pro, first of all, you can open any app in floating window or most of the apps in floating window by simply selecting the app that you want. For example, let's go for Google Play Store, and then you can click on the square button and here click on the icon, click and hold onto the app and select this icon to open it in floating window. Alternatively, there's one way to open them almost instantly with a sidebar. So let's go into the settings, scroll all the way down into additional settings, and here click on the floating windows. Make sure that the side toolbox sidebar is active and that you have the smart suggestions. You can actually disable or enable them. Then swipe down on the sidebar and from here select any app that you want to open in floating window, and it should instantly do that. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.